Hello everyone, I'm Kiki from Rotexmaster. Do you remember me? I have invited my friends these days. I also prepared a short story for everyone. When I worked for 3 months, I helped a customer choose the suitable size hammer mill. And today, I will also share some information about the hammer mill for you. Okay, now I will introduce it for you. First, this is a set of hammer mill, include the feed belt, hammer mill, cyclone, airlock, fan blower, and the back dust bag. First, I will introduce the feed belt for you. The feed belt will transport the materials into hammer mills, and usually a frequency converter will added to the feed belt to control the feeding speed. Next, this is the main machine hammer mill. The model of this hammer mill is about is the model of this hammer mill is YJFS 65 by 55, and the weight of this hammer mill is about 2.7 ton, and the size of this hammer mill is about 2 meters by 1.1 meters by 1.4 meters. You can say my height is about 1.6 meters. And if you compared me with this hammer mill, you can get the height of this hammer mill is about 2 meters. Okay, the hammer mill is used to crack small size materials like wood chips into sawdust. And the size of sawdust is about 4 to 12 millimeters. And today we also prepared some materials for you. You can say this is the wood chips we prepared. You can see the size of these wood chips is about 3 to 5 centimeters. And the diameter of the logs should be less than 5 centimeters. And this is the sawdust after crushed by this hammer mill. You can see the size of the sawdust is good. Okay? Yeah. Next, let's see the main motor of this hammer mill. This is the main motor of this hammer mill, and the power of this motor is 37 kilowatt, and the brand of this motor is the famous Siemens brand. And the small size materials will transported into the grinding room and be beaten into 4 to 12 millimeters powder by the hammers inside. And now I will introduce the sliding door for you. Yes. Now the sliding door is easily to open like this. Please. Thank you. Like this. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you, my husband. You can see this is a screener inside, and there are 48 hammers inside. The materials of the screener is magnesium steel, and the hammers inside can rotate forward and backward. It can extend the service life of the hammers. Okay, I'll open the door. Okay, thank you. This is the safety control switch. Yeah, this is the safety control switch. It's a hammer mill will stop working after you opening the sliding door, and it can ensure you're safe. Next, let's see the fan blower of this hammer mill. This is the fan blower of the hammer mill. The motor of the fan blower is also the famous Siemens motor, and the quality is good. You can just change the fan page for about 1 year. Yes, it will suck the sawdust into the cyclone, and the cyclone will split the dust and sawdust. The dust will be transported into the dust bag, and the sawdust will fall through this airlock. You can see the motor of this airlock is also the Siemens motor. Yeah. And next, I will share some parts for you. Now follow me. Okay, you can see this is the bearing seat. It used to provide external support for bearings. And next, this is the drum type tooth coupling. It used to connect motor shift and rotor shift. Low kinetic energy loss, high efficiency. One refueling is required for each class shift. And next, this is the spacer sleeve. It used to keep a certain distance between the hammer pieces of the crash and adjust the distribution of the hammer space. And next, I will introduce the hammers for you. The material of the hammers is the 65 magnesium steel. You can see the length of these hammers is about 50 centimeter, and the width of there is about 5 centimeter, and the width of bottom is about 6 centimeter, and the thickness of these hammers is about 8 millimeters. Okay, that's all the information about the hammer mill I want to share with you. And now I also prepared some other models of this hammer mill for you. You can see the model include YGFS 65 by 55 and YGFS 65 by 75 and the YGFS 65 by 100 and the biggest capacity of the hammer mill is about 4 tons per hour. Yes, if you are interested in our product, please feel free to contact us, and we will reply you in time. Thanks for your listening.